Saturday, December 16, 2023. Golf, first start. There is anybody inside to crank it? No. Okay, so like that, we're never gonna start. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Leave it. No worries, we're gonna fill up also the video. Let me sit over here. Let me sit over here. Nice. Standing by. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm closing an M157 engine for the S63 currently, and just came here to make a video that the first start of the engine. Yeah, it's gonna start fine. Turn it, start it again, and leave it running. Leave it running, don't turn it off. Now turn it off. Wait. Start it again. Nice. Guys, coolant, oil level, classic like any other time, okay? Thank you very much. That's it. First start of the Golf. When warm up the oil and comes at operation temperature, it's gonna be completely silent. Sometimes you hear a little bit the lifter here and there, but it's gonna be completely silent at the end, like any other time. Not bad, not bad. Okay. And did you charge the air condition?
We do not remove.
You do remove?
Yeah.
Nice, okay, that's a good one, not bad.
No, as we touch with hand oils.
Okay, good. I'm going to continue. Thank you very much.